Okay, so let's see what we got. Yeah, all right, we're recording. So this is your basic guy. Gonna highlight them all. Well, so I've already grouped it. Let's go back. I'll have to edit this. All right, so I've got all these different paths. Just gonna highlight them all. Control G to group them. Oops, highlight it again. Control C, Control V. So I've got one copy. Do it again, and I've got two. Just off the main guy. So I'm gonna grab this one, and I'm gonna go to Shape Builder, and I'm just gonna make all of these one. Now it's a group. Let's give it a fill of black. See if that worked. Oops, let me get off this. There we go. Okay, so there's that. So we got one black, we got one normal, and the original. Then I think we want to do the shape over that. Select both. Pathfinder, click to minus front. Nope, messed it up. Let's do that underneath. Click to minus front. Fucked it up. Let's grab just this. Move him back to however you want the shadow. Say it's like that much. Okay, this will work now. Grab both, click to minus front, and there you go. So you've got these little stragglers you can get rid of, these guys. This one, just delete that. Delete that. A little bit of a mess up there, but you get the idea. You can just grab the group, bring it back over your original, and then lower the opacity to whatever you want, 20%. And there you go, perfect shadow. Cool.